Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and this is a sneak peek of the upcoming Diamond Art Club Take 2. Why is it Take 2? Because I did this whole video, had it on my phone, thought I uploaded it on my computer, and then wham bam, thank you ma'am, I deleted it off my phone but never put it on my computer. And because my iCloud storage is full, it deleted it permanently, not able to be accessed. So that is why this does not have any plastic on it, and it's why I've opened it before. And I didn't realize till today I went to upload the video that I needed to do another one. So I normally store my Diamond Art Clubs back in the box, so I'm not trying to make a fake unboxing. This is just how I store them, due to how the canvases hold up really well and self-flatten and have poured glue, and you don't have to worry about rivers and wrinkles and bubbles and what crevices and mountains and valleys and etc, etc. So I was super excited. You might have seen my video of the Christmas cards that I received. I am super excited to do that in the upcoming weeks with my refugee clients. And I'm also went out and purchased the special edition for Christmas. And when I received this, I was super excited because it is in the realm or with the artists that I want to purchase more of. So what did I get? All right, I'm gonna hold the suspense so that you guys don't like come and see what I got and leave, because that would be rude. People rude. I'm always surprised when it shows on YouTube, like, the average video watching time is 10 seconds. I'm like, seriously? I don't even say hello in 10 seconds. What is up with that? All right, so for those of you new for Diamond Art Club, they used to, for a while, maybe 3 to 4 months, have new canvases, like 4 to 6 every week. They release it to Ruby and Diamond members. So if you are going to buy a Diamond Art Club, it pays to sign up, because then you get exclusive offers, first access, etc. But I know they're slowing down a little bit, and so I believe this will be the first major release this weekend for the last couple weeks. Super excited. All right, so with Diamond Art Club, you get a clear tray, you get a 3-placer, you get heart waxes, depending on the size. Most of the paintings I get 2, but if it is the super tiny, you might get 1. You get a squishy to go on your diamond painting pen, and you get a blue diamond painting pen with a single placer. They also put in a few baggies. It looks like they've upgraded their baggies based on the feel. I'm going to stick these right back in here. And I keep this bag when I'm done with my toolkit to store usually my leftover drills until I put it into long-term storage. Alright, so this has 2 AB colors in it. Diamond Art Club has the number of the canvas, and AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which is a particular fun shine. I kind of compare it, the difference between a pearl and a sequence. So this is a really good comparison. There's the white and the black. So you can see the white, that's close up. There's the black. So this one is the AB, this one is not AB. And then they also have in here, I'm not going to unroll them because I want to be able to put them back, but see, there's that blue right there. So you can see the difference, like one is more sequency with like a rainbow sheen, and one is sparkly. All right, so I'm going to stop talking for a minute Crinkle, crinkle. While the crinkling was going on. Okay. This is the canvas. Are you guys ready? So it's this beautiful velvet canvas, self-flattening. The longer you leave it out, the flatter it gets until it's perfectly flat. They have the serged edges for protection against fraying. And then they also have two ledgers, one on the right and one on the left, one on the top, one on the bottom. Okay? And this is what I got, people. Is this not beautiful? It is called Little Village. And I think of these so whimsical. They're like adult Dr. Seuss, right? Look at that design. Or it's like the Dr. Seuss Starry Night. This is what Dr. Seuss's Starry Night would look like if he were to use this in his illustrations. So I loved this whimsical look. I loved the different color palettes. Now normally I'm going with greens and blues. These are more reds and oranges. I love the Out West version of this, so I am saving up to purchase the Out West one because I thought this would be like a fun little 1 and 2 collection. So here are the ledgers over here, and then you've got the ledger over here. And then it does come with the stickers, so you can cut these out and put them on your baggies if you want, if you kit up through bags, or you can put them on your containers. You know, if you want to use containers and put them on, or whatever you want to do. And then I usually put this on my review sheet that I have. I do have a link down below if you want a review sheet to kind of keep a log of all your diamond paintings. So I usually cut this out and put this sticker on my review sheet. The nice thing too is the sticker does tell you it's called Little Village. It tells you it's round with AB. Tells you the size. So this is a 59 by 47, and then the DAC 768R matches what's on the canvas, which matches what's on the drills or the diamonds. So you can keep these all together in case they get separated. Another thing is that they measure based on canvas size. I mean drill size, not canvas size. So if I were to measure this right here from one side to the other, it is 50, let me see here, almost 59. It's like 58 and 9/8. 9/8, I'm sorry, 7/8. And then it is 46.5, and they advertise it to be 47. So most companies ask to give them up to a 1 centimeter blessing. It also is poured glue. So these things right here that you're seeing is in the plastic, not in the glue. The glue is very sticky. And for those of you who really like to see the symbols, I'll bring it up close so you guys can see how clear the symbols are. They do have training wheels or dummy circles or whatever you want to call them. In the camera they look darker than in real life. But yeah, so that is my sneak peek, guys. They do have a lifetime warranty as well. If you're missing drills or drills fall off, definitely contact them. That's what this little thing is down here. But yeah, so this Saturday, noon Eastern Standard Time, they will be releasing, I don't know if it's 4 or 6 new releases. This is a sneak peek of one of them. I hope you absolutely love it. Go check them out. They have wonderful sale going on right now in some of their canvases that they're resizing. So this might be a great time to purchase a Diamond Art Club at a cost that you want to test it and try it out. But so far I've had nothing but great experience with them. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the future. So until next time, be blessed and take care. Bye-bye. Oh, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Always forget that. Take care. Bye-bye.